Thread.isFinished returns false in slot connected to finished signal. I have a thread that emits finished signal, but its isFinished returns false. Why is that? How to know when isFinished will start to return true? Sometimes it returns true, but most of the time it outputs isFinished, false. Answer in another so question thread emits finished signal but isRunning returns true and isFinished returns false, suggests that it should be like this. At this point, isFinished should start returning true and isRunning false. The internals emit the finished signal. Py2.7.4, pyside 1.1.2, QThread.8.2. Also tested with Pykes 4.
Much origin, easy to